Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today in this video we are going to talk about subjective pronoun, be verb and how to use them with the word not. Let us look at the sentence. The first sentence says, I'm not a student. Not means no, negative. When I say I'm a student means yes, I am a student. But when I say I'm not a student, that means I'm something else. I'm a teacher. So notice here in this sentence we have first the subjective pronoun I am with the be verb and then followed by not. So in all this sentence, just look, it is the same pattern. Now listen carefully. When you say I'm not, it should sound one word. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. It sounds one word. I'm not. Look at the next one. He is not a student. He is not a student. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. She is not a student. She is not a student. Now see how I am reading the word. She is not a student. Not her. Not her. Let us move to the next one. It's not a dog. It's not a dog. Remember, it is used for animal, place or things. So, it's not a dog. You're not a student. You're not a student. Now the next is a bit different. We are means we are not students. Remember, students is a plural. So we put s at the end of the noun. We don't use a before the noun. So let us read it again. We are not students. We are not students. The last one is similar to the previous one. They, it's also plural because it is more than one. They are not students. They are not students. Now we are going to look for more examples and I want you to listen carefully and repeat after me. The first one, I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy. I'm not a girl. I'm not a girl. He is not. He is not a man. He is not a man. He is not a boy. He is not a boy. She is not. She is not a woman. She is not a woman. She is not a girl. She is not a girl. It's not. It's not a chair. It's not a chair. It's not a cat. It's not a cat. You're not. You're not a singer. You're not a singer. You're not a friend. You're not a friend. We are not. We are not sisters. We are not sisters. We are not brothers. We are not brothers. They are not. They are not people. They are not people. They are not cars. They are not cars. So in this video, we learned how to use subjective pronoun with the be verb and how to use them with the word not. So I wrote some sentence about myself using this lesson. So let us have a look. I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. I'm not a Canadian. I'm not a Canadian. And the last one, I'm not a loser. I'm not a loser. So that was a little bit about me. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please share it with your needy ones who need to learn more English. Love and peace to all.